Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we're learning how to cook a crowd puller dish in Kuala Perlis, the one and only Laksa Kuala Perlis. People from Perlis, today's your day! Laksa Kuala Perlis is best eaten with laksa beras, and its broth is uniquely known for having thicker and grainy texture, which comes from the blended fish. It is overall slightly spicy and sour, making it a perfect combination for the locals. Perlis, located on the north of Peninsular Malaysia, is the country's smallest state. It is well known for its limestone hills, fresh seafood, peacefulness, and friendly people. Jom, let's enjoy the process of making Laksa Kuala Perlis. Start by boiling the fish with tamarind slice. You can use either ikan selayang or ikan kembung, whichever suits your preference. While waiting for the fish to boil, cut up the cucumber, chop the bird's eye chilies, and cut the boiled egg to be used for later. And back to the boiling fish. Once you see the meat is cooked and soft, strain them and then separate the flesh from the bones and blend them separately. After blending the flesh of the fish, put it into a wok filled with boiling water and repeat the same for the blended fish bones. Next, to give life and taste to the laksa, chop up all the ingredients and blend them until smooth. Once the paste is formed, add it into boiling fish soup. Then slice up the bunga kantan to add in together with the daun kesum into the wok. Stir and simmer for about 10 minutes for the flavors to develop. Lastly, place the laksa beras in a bowl and pour in the broth. Then top it off with some sliced cucumber, bird's eye chili, and egg, and it's ready to be served. Good luck trying and share with us your experience in the comment box below. That's all, and thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and visit our website for more cooking recipes. Till then, I'll see you again. Bye! Ooh, take a look at that. This is Laksa Kuala Perlis from Perlis. And if you look at that, I think it's made of hor fun, and there's some cucumber, some diced chili, and the classic eggy. Yay! Okay, and today I'm gonna do my magic to show you two of my guests, and ding! Okay, yay, my magic worked! Woohoo! Okay, so today we have two leng lui in the company, in the office, to try this dish, and both look really great, including the food. And yeah, this is Elaine, our pastry chef, and Wanki, our intern. Yay! Okay, so without further ado, guys, just dig in, and then we'll see how special this dish is.
It's edible.
Passable, I guess.
Don't
cry, chef.
I kind of like sour things, so this is not sour. Yeah, and it's not spicy.
So it's like what? If not sour, not spicy, then salty?
I mean, like, there is a little bit of sourness, but it's not. It's like not enough. Yeah. But I don't know if this is
Okay.
the original taste of Perlis laksa.
Like doesn't hit the spot, nah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Wanki, I haven't heard from you. With her classic face.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, apart from okay,
Okay.
if I've never eaten before, what would you say? Like, how would you describe the dish?
Not enough sour.
Okay.
But if I have not tried the Penang Assam And if I eat this, right, I'll actually eat this.
Why?
It's actually nice lah. Just that if you were to compare with Penang Laksa, then definitely you compare lah, because both they have different ingredients inside.
Okay. Would you recommend this to your friend?
I would though. I don't think anyone has actually like tried Perlis Laksa.
Oh yeah, lah.
Especially in KL people. Right?
Yeah.
Mostly try the Penang Laksa, right?
Okay. That's
Just
great.
supporting my answer.
Great supporter.
Condiments, right? In Kuala Perlis, the condiment is base 4, and usually
Where got egg ah?
usually got egg lah.
Laksa where got egg ah?
This laksa got lah. That one is Penang, this one is Kuala Perlis. And then the Penang one usually they top with more pineapple, right? I saw some.
Some places
Some
yes.
places put pineapple. And then what else? We're talking tuna.
The fish. Fish? Tuna.
Oh, this is not tuna.
Oh yeah, what fish you use for this?
Monkey fish. This ikan selayang. I don't know what's the name in Malay.
Okay.
Yeah, fish from selayang lah basically.
Okay.
We
Okay.
use fish from Perlis.
Okay. Cool. So on a 1 to 10, how much would you rate and why? Zoot zoot zoot. Okay. Okay.
6.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah, because I like it more sour.
That's it.
Yeah.
Really white shepherd.
I know you don't trust me, you look at me like that. Actually, it's quite nice. It's something different.
Yeah.
Because like how people usually cook one dish, they have like different. I mean, like they cook one dish and they'll just replicate it, right? But this one is actually like one dish and they didn't replicate. It's like from 2 different states. You understand? So it's like this one is originally from Perlis, Penang one is originally from Penang. So people can actually try 2 types of laksa from 2 different states. Then they actually know, like you see, I'm Malaysian, but then I don't know anything. So people should go and try. Go to Perlis, I never go before.
Okay, guys, listen to Elaine. Go to Perlis and try. Okay, so that's pretty much all for today. And guys, go and try. I haven't tried, so I'm gonna try after this. And that's all. If you like what you're watching, and if you want to try this, check out the previous video for the recipes and how to cook. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye bye. See ya.